Hi there traders, this is Steve Miley for ForexFraud.com, and we're here looking at the US dollar versus Japanese yen, US dollar versus Canadian dollar. Different tones in here for the US dollar versus these two currencies, which is often the case with the dollar yen doing sometimes the opposite of what the dollar is doing against most other currencies. And dollar yen rebounding in here towards the end of last week. Global markets shifting back to more of a risk-on tone, and given the events over the weekend, given the fact that we've had the outcome with the more positive outcome with the US and China with regards to resuming trade talks, and also Donald Trump meeting with Kim Jong-un in the demilitarized zone, certainly putting the threat that we see a probably weakening yen, which is dollar yen higher. And we've already seen that last week. Our outlook has remained positive since this little rebound. The intermediate term outlook is bearish whilst below 108.7280, but I'd suggest that this area is under threat now, and there's real risk for a push up to 108.16 and 108.40 going into the early part of this week, maybe through 108.7280 to neutralize the intermediate term bullish theme and signal a more positive shorter term outlook, more bullish shorter term outlook going into July. For the US dollar, for the Canadian dollar though, a plunge low. This is all about a weaker US dollar combined with a strengthening Canadian dollar because of oil. The weaker US dollar because of the more dovish Fed, the strengthening Canadian dollar because of the surge in the oil price. So that's kept US dollar Canada lower, taking out multi-month low in here. The low for the year at 130.64 back on Friday, and despite the rebound efforts, we're looking for downside pressures to continue going into early July and potentially beyond. This has been Steve Miley, Market Chartist, on behalf of ForexFraud.com, and I wish you a great trading day.